Okay, this may seem like a strange idea for a hunting kit, only because of the concept. Now, the concept is a hunting kit, if it's like an inch or post apocalypse, etc. My goal was no guns, right? Because here's the thing, I know game wardens are a pain in the butt. Now I know it's also weird because, huh? No guns? Well, technically there is. One of the things I'm gonna put in here, I have some of the stuff I'm gonna put into the kit, right here with me. You know, one of course, the 18-inch below dart gun that I got for Christmas comes with as a thing. You know, obviously my Swiss Army Knife Evolution 23. I think it's the 23. Because Saul. All that. Another one is the Bushcraft, or the Bushmaster. Oh wait, Wahoo Killer knife I got for Christmas. Oh, by the way, these are ceramic knives. Yeah, I thought it was the. I'll show you it. Come on. Okay. Yes, this is plastic. This is plastic. Obviously, the blade is ceramic. This was a 2-pack. Now, the reason I have this is because one, it's light. Right. Now, I'm going to pause this for a second and you'll get the other thing because I forgot it. Okay? Both of these pouch thing, by the way, the buy one get one, right? You can close it this way, by the way. God, I know this lighting is just screwed. But I have a harness kit, a British harness kit, which I'm going to be using too. So this will be on here. These two are on here. One will be a first aid. This will be like a whatever. Honestly, like, I have thought about what I wanted. Honestly, this is actually a nice little light knife. This is literally a light knife. Yes, it doesn't close, but that's okay because guess what? It doesn't need to close. Let's do that. By the way, it was a 2-pack. I thought it was the Molly thing, but it's not. My thing for this or whatever, but it's not. If it was, it would have came into the bag. If there was one. So, there wasn't. So, you know, heck. If you're wondering, this is a 2-pack, and it's 19 BK 5837. So, yeah. Yeah, the Rampage knife, the faux, OTF knife, not using. You know, why not, right? Now, let me see if this actually actually, you know what? This will be on me either way. Yeah, the one I've been using, the yellow or the orange, that's a Krieger. This is a Wahoo Killer baseball. Now, I was thinking, in a post-apocalypse, you don't want to make noise because this is actually inspired by me watching a playthrough of Fallout Frost, which is a mod for Fallout 4. Now, yeah. Now, honestly, by the way, this does have a, if you can see it, a scope. So yeah, I'm going to practice with this. And yeah, this is some of the stuff I'm going to be putting into the kit. I already have a fishing kit that I'm happy with. So yeah, by the way, can y'all guess the theme of what my Christmas theme was? But okay, is this, no, this is stretchy, right? Yeah, it's a stretchy, not paracord. Okay. So yeah, so what y'all think so far? I do have a backpack I'm actually going to be using. also with the Hornets kit, or if I have to, just just the Hornets kit. I have ways of like carrying this either way, but the way that is actually a grip. I can go. Okay, small game. Yeah. And here is the holder for the ammo. So yeah. Anyway, what do y'all think? Peace.